Okay, guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Right about now, we are while still holding our trade on German DAX index. I'll switch to candle chart now. You see, right there is our ideal TP. Our ideal TP is here, most likely here, yeah, around that area, right? So any swipe there is the ideal TP. But on the other hand, I'm looking for all of this, all right, based on the liquidity that is at the top there. That's what I'm aiming for. At this point, all stop loss are on break even. At this point, all stop loss, as it stands now, is on break even. And yeah, this was the call we had earlier this afternoon. I needed to do some stuff. I had to close the live streaming before now, and I'm back. I think next time maybe I would just not close it, I will leave it open. But at the time I was on the live streaming section, it was pretty much I and maybe one other person, but that's by the way. So the essence of this quick running back here is for us to manage this trade together. Okay, it's for us to manage the trade together. So my plan now is, since price has already reached my ideal TP, which is where price is currently trading at now, what I'll be looking for is scalp. I'll be looking for scalping approach. All right, so what do I mean by scalp approach? I will need this candle to completely print, and any subsequent candle that prints, I'll be moving my stop loss to my TP. All right, so if price goes against me, it's pretty much like me still taking my profit, right? But this has been a beautiful one. I'm very, very happy because of this setup. To be honest, I think I can close the trade now because of what? My ideal TP is 2 to 1, and 2 to 1 is exactly there. It's even more than 2 to 1 at this point. So I think I should be closing something out of this market. I honestly think I should, and I would. So I'm going to close this first guy, and I'll leave this one. All right, I just took something out of the market and I left one just because price reached my my ideal TP. I just need to respect price and do the normal thing I need to do. But ideally, I would want price to reach all the way up there, and that is why I still have one more guy there for us waiting. So do you know the good thing about the trade? So like I told you, the trade now is in what we call risk-free trade, right? In the sense that anything that happens right after now is more or less I'm thinking I'm in between. Should I just close everything? To be honest, I think I'm just becoming too greedy right now, because to be honest, this price has given my ideal TP, which is 2 to 1, and price is actually trading around the previous day high and is currently being rejected. I would like to see what the follow-up candle is going to look like, but largely I would hmm hmm maybe I'm becoming too greedy. I would just close everything. I'll close everything. I'll close everything. But I want you guys to know that here is where I would have wanted to close. But at the same time, price has already given me my 2 to 1. There is no need for me to, be looking be too greedy. Ideally, I go for 2 to 1. I got my 2 to 1, and I'm okay with that. So, um, uh, what I would have loved to see is assuming price closed above the previous day high, right? And at the same time, is showing enough momentum. What I would have done is to scalp it. So what I will do, I'll just move the stop loss and I'll keep on scalping it. Up it goes. So for me, it was a good one, and that's it. So that is it for us today. It was a very good trade. We made a couple of bucks on that one. It's little, but it's something, and it's worthwhile. So for me, it was an awesome one, and yeah, I don't know if I'm the only one here. If I'm the only one here, I don't know, but I hope I'm not the only one here. I close. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. You need to close. You need to close. Want to be fair, but I hope you made some bucks at least. The least one or two enter your account. The least one or two. Well, obviously you can see my screen, so you can tell that the least one or two did enter. Was a good one for me. I really enjoyed it. So, of all the items we had in our watch list, all we had was DE30, which was a very good one, and I really appreciate it, and I thank God for it. So that is it for me. I don't think there is any more reason for us to spend more time here. I would want to spend more time here. At least it will help in my, the YouTube community, help the algorithm and all of that. Yeah, you covered the loss from British pound. Yeah, that was a very that GBP. It was crazy. I wish we did not take that trade yesterday. And we had the Euro USD on break even. I just thought maybe we could get another one on British pound, and yeah. But the good thing is, that's how it goes. It's just like how we come. You will see chart going up and down. So that's how it goes. So yeah. So that's it, guys. I think this market will still go up. To be honest, I think the main TP is there, but like I told you guys, I just go for 2 to 1. It's okay. I don't want to be too greedy, but it's going to go all the way up there. And here's my hypothesis, and here's my reason. Why? My reason why is because that was the liquidity it built up before coming down. And since it came down, it did not take out the low of that liquidity. I just took it out because, like I told you guys, I don't want to be too greedy there. I've seen my 2 to 1, and in as much as I would, you know, have some confidence in what I say and all of that, but at the same time, this is market. You have to respect the market at all times. It is out of respect that we have for market that we will open a trade and put a stop loss. It is out of the respect we have for it that we'll open a trade and we'll put a TP. It's just showing respect. So that's the thing I can say about that. So, but the point I'm just trying to make here is this is the low, and this is the liquidity that was built up. So if you look at that, you'll see from there all the way up there, market is trading in that range. And since market came down with this move here, you see the last low market dropped before going up, which is the current trend that we are currently, oh my god, currently trading. This is it here, and if you look at it, you will see that this low is still maintained. This low is yet to be taken out. So that means the point here is that as we've seen price come down, high chances that we'll see it go back to test that top. Now I will give you my reason why I closed it myself. One of the reasons I closed it is because it has already given us 2 to 1, and another reason is the fact that price is currently trading at the previous day high. And if you look at the previous day build up, you would also see that price has been dropping series of liquidity build up. So there is high chances that we might envision a point where DE30 will be selling, and I hope the time it will be selling, we'll be jumping on it and we'll be enjoying it as it goes. Okay? All right. For now, I think that's it for us on today's live streaming. If you have any question, comment, anything at all, feel free to ask. Else, just make sure you like the video before you leave. Please like the video before you leave. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.